This will not be a Facebook ads related video, although I'm gonna talk about my plans. I'm gonna do a little life update because maybe I'm doing this video more for me than anybody, I feel. So if you wanna watch it, watch it. I don't really care. As you know, I'm running a Facebook ads agency. Also, I'm trying to transition to info business, and I'm building funnels, and I'm doing the YouTube channel. So I have a lot on my plate, to be honest with you. And what I really want to figure out is the direction of where my life is going on the business side. First of all, Facebook ads, they're working well for the last few months. My clients are happy, they're generating the desired return on ad spend. I have very good, successful campaigns. So the agency side is there. I feel like no matter what I do, I'll be always able to get clients for my agency. In terms of like the info business side, building courses, I struggle to build courses, but I still build courses because I'm not very good with English. Like, if you see this video will be raw. I won't edit this video. But you see how I talk, you see that I struggle to like put the sentences correctly. I somehow struggle to be smooth and fluent, natural English speaker. However, it still works. Don't get me wrong, it still works, but the effort I have to put is like crazy. I know for some of you, you'll be like, oh, it's very simple. Or what you need to do is just like talk on the camera, but buy a camera or just use your iPhone and try to record a video. It's not that simple. So the course side of things is something that I always wanted to do. However, for some people who are much better speakers, who have a lot more resources, for them would be much easier to record an online course. For me, it's not that easy. However, I'm gonna invest the time of creating like online courses, right? I had this goal to write a book each and every year. In 2024, I published a book. In 2025, I'm gonna start working on a book and I'm gonna publish another book. I'm not really sure about the direction of the book. I'm not really sure about the topic, the title of the book, etc. However, I know that this is something that I want to do on the long term. I want to write books. I want to make videos for sure, although I'm not great on videos, but this is how I improve, right? And probably what I need to commit to, and I'm gonna write this down. I'm gonna take my notebook and I'm gonna say that the direction, because I also want to figure it out. The direction I want to take, number one, will be the book funnels, right? I want to master the book funnels. And I know it sounds like a simple thing to do. However, there is a lot that goes into it. The second thing I'm gonna stay consistent with is the YouTube channel. Right now, I do a challenge, right? I publish a video each and every day, and last few weeks I'm so busy. I'm just so busy with stuff like life outside business, life inside business, that I don't even have the time to make thumbnails. I could outsource making thumbnails, but this is also gonna take me time right now. So what I do, just to stay consistent, I publish videos without thumbnail, right? I publish videos without thumbnail, and I hope that this will be enough for me to keep the consistency, right? I'm thinking about the YouTube very, very long term, very, very long term. The videos I want to make, I talk only about Facebook ads, and the struggle here is that if I make a video each and every day, the topics are kind of like pretty much the same. I feel like every fifth or sixth video is pretty much the same. I say exactly the same stuff. However, when I watch Gary Vaynerchuk, he is always saying the same thing. So I guess this is how you build a brand online. About my brand, I'm watching videos of other YouTubers, right? I'm watching videos of other YouTubers, and those other YouTubers, they're very good on camera. They can articulate very well. They can say things very well. They can communicate to the camera very well. But I'm not this type of person, you know. I can do it. I can be like, hey guys, my name is Niko. In my YouTube channel today, we'll be reviewing this and that. But I don't want to do it. I don't feel it's natural. This is not the path I want to take. So I've been making videos for like, let me share how many years. 3 years almost 3 years. And up until this moment, right? Up until this moment, I have a little bit less than 2,000 subscribers. So it's not the speed I want to go to. Definitely, it's a very, very slow growth. Some months do well, some months do very bad. But I cannot take it, I cannot see it month by month. I cannot see it, I don't think I can see it year by year. I think I should compare it every 2 years, every 3 years maybe to the previous 3 years, because it's a very, very slow growth, and I don't have the data, right? I don't have the data. So I started my YouTube channel when I turned 30. So I'm gonna do it for 10 years, right? And I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. And for the next 10 years, I'll try to write a book each and every year. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'm not sure where this journey will take me. But those are my two main goals. My two main goals for the near future. When it comes to my third goal, I'll stick to the agency because this is how I make money, and for me to make it work, I want to be able to get client results, right? So this is the third goal. Get results for my current clients. Maybe I'm gonna get some new people, maybe I won't, but the way my agency works, I very rarely lose clients, right? I very rarely lose clients. The clients that I don't work with, there is an external reason. Number one, the reason I might not like working with the client. Another reason, we might had issues with compliance on Facebook, but it was rarely the results. It was rarely the results. It was rarely how I work with clients. It was rarely how I communicate with clients. So those are my three goals in terms of like business, right? If I have to be honest with you, I am very, let's say, I highly value my intellectual level, right? I highly value how many books I'm reading, what type of books I'm reading, things I'm learning. But in the last 2-3 months, maybe like in the last 2 months, starting September, I had to spend so much time like building campaigns, working with clients, working on the YouTube. It was just daily hustle, and I couldn't like invest a lot into my intellectual, which I regret a lot. So personal, right? Because even if I can read 10 pages per day, I think this will benefit me a lot, right? I think this will benefit me a lot. So even if I can read like a page right now, the book I'm reading is the Bible. So if I can stay consistent, that will be great. I don't like in the past 3, 4, 5 years, 6 years, I was very consistent with my learning. I learned a lot. I learned how to run Facebook ads. I learned how to build funnels. I learned how to do email marketing. I learned how to copyright. I started learning how to sell. Although this is not something I'm great at, but I'm consistently learning stuff. I'm learning about investing. I'm learning about money management. I'm learning about real estate. So I'm learning a lot of stuff. I'm generously very very curious. However, with the family life, with the newborn, I don't have the time I wish I had, right? Because on one side I have to make money, and on the other side I have to invest in projects that I believe are the future, but they're not making money. For example, the book funnels, they're not making money, right? The YouTube channel is not making money. The agency is making money, right? So I have like those projects going on, but I don't want to stop on the YouTube channel, and I don't want to stop on the book funnel, because I believe the exponential growth for me is in the book funnels and the YouTube channel. I believe this is just the journey, and for me to give it a good try, to give the YouTube channel a good try, to give the book funnels, the info business a good try, I need to do it for at least 10 years, right? 10 years. And the mark of the YouTube channel, I think it's 2021. And the mark of the book funnel starts at 2023, because this is when I release my first book funnel. But what I'm trying to do on YouTube, in order for me to be successful on YouTube, I need to be a good and engaging speaker. I need to be able to talk in front of the camera. I need to be able to build engagement, to keep the attention, which I'm not very good at. I believe I'm not very good at, and there is a lot I can learn. But what I'm good at, I'm thick-skinned, I'm consistent. Whatever I say, I can do. I never break my word. I would rather die but break my word. So this is something I value a lot. I'm not quitting. I'm gonna give it my all. And the thing that I struggle with the most is clarity, right? If I build a funnel, I can take it like two ways. I can take the funnel of what the market wants and what people want to buy, which is how you make money. Hashtag this is how you make money. And the other thing I could do would be to follow my heart, kind of like. But I think I need to have an overlap of both those things, right? Yeah, so right now, whatever is hot, I can do it. If I go in that direction, I feel like there is something else to the puzzle, something else to the equation, right? Yeah, so this is the video for the day. This is the life update. I just wanna share some of those life updates in terms of like the book funnel, in terms of like the products I have. I think I have 3 or 4 courses, one book. They break even. Some of the funnels break even. Some of the funnels are not profitable. Also, I need a high ticket backend. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna think about it. I'm not sure how strategize it. But I'll be definitely launching more funnels. So by the end of the year, let's say by the end of the year 2025, If I write one book, maybe create 2 or 3 new courses. And if I'm able to launch this, that would be great. If I'm able to release, let's say, 2 videos per week, 2 to 3 videos per week for 2025 on YouTube, that will be great. If I manage to keep all my current clients, that will be great. Maybe I might add another client, I might not do it. So yeah, it depends. It depends. Those are my ideas. Those are my initial ideas. This is the plan. Right now, I'm planning the whole year, and so this is the plan I need to stick to. The results for the agencies in terms of like money making, in terms of like um, making my clients results, getting my client results are there. However, in terms of like the YouTube and book funnel, I think I could do much better, and this will be my plan. This will be my plan for this for the next year. I believe I also had very valuable experience by doing the work, by working on the YouTube channel. So yeah, this is the video for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel or don't subscribe. I don't really care. And yeah, this will be it.